Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera blurry issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software updates, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then update it to the latest version, and after that remove any camera lens lens protector. If you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove it, and after that clean your camera lens. So after cleaning your camera lens and removing protector, your camera blurry issue will be fixed. But if it's still not working properly, then open settings and then scroll down and click on general. Now here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then enter your screen time passcode. Now here click on reset all settings, and after you click on reset all settings, it will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, your camera blurry issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.